Friends, today I'm going to show that how to get and install SketchUp for free on a computer. Friends, to get and install SketchUp for free on a computer, how you can do it? Friends, for this, first you have to download the SketchUp. So open an internet browser, my friends, anyone, then right here www.sketchup.com/download all, my friends. Like this, you have to wait. After that, you have to press enter. The page is loading, my friends. You have to wait a few seconds. And see, my friends, after writing like that, www.sketchup.com/download/all, then you'll find here sign in or create account. If you already sign in, you can see this page, but if you didn't sign in, you have to sign in again. If you have any account, you'll find here create account. First you have to create account, then you have to sign in, and easily you can come in this page, my friends. It's a very easy way to create an account in SketchUp. Just click on create account, you'll find here. Then you have to follow the steps, my friends, to create your SketchUp account. After that, you can download from here anyone, my friends. You can download the latest one. You can click on here if you download for Windows, and also if you want to download for Mac, you can download from here. So I'll download from Windows, so click on here, my friends. And see, it is downloaded here, right? See, my friends. Click on show all. Friends, I have already downloaded this file, so I'll not download this one because I have this file in my computer. I have shown because of you, my friends. So cancel this one. After downloading, my friends, you have to open that file. So my file is here on download options. This one, my friends. You'll find same like this. Just you have to double click here, my friends, to install the file on your computer. So double click here. It's loading, my friends. You have to wait a few seconds. And see, my friends, same like any other software, my friends. Simply you have to click on install, or if you want to change anything, the destination directory you can change. Just click on install, my friends, and see, it is installing, right? Installation progress is on, my friends. So you have to wait a few seconds, and friends, the SketchUp is installing. You have to wait a few seconds. Installation is finished, right? Just click on finish, my friends. Close the step and see there is a SketchUp shortcut, right? So my friends, click here to open this one, SketchUp. Double click on here on SketchUp. See my friends, it is opening, right? And as you can see, here is asking to sign in or add classic license, right? So if I click on sign in, click on launch browser again. See my friends, now I have to sign in the SketchUp, right? Click on next. Click on password, my friends. Yeah. Then type your password. Then click on sign in. And see my friends, what is written here. You can close the tab and continue using your SketchUp Pro apps, right? So close this one. And see my friends, has written start modeling, right? You can click on start modeling now. Now you can click on start modeling. Then my friends, you will find some template you can choose. See, there is more template, right? And also my friends, if you want, you can use it by license, right? As you can see before. So I want to choose the simple template, this one, inches. There are simple meters, architectural millimeters, centimeters, meters, right? So click on here, my friends, simple. It is opening. I have to wait a few seconds. See my friends, it has been opened, right? Now you can use it, my friends. You can click on here and you can use it, my friends, easily, right? Friends, like this, if you want, easily you can use SketchUp on your computer. Friends, to get and install SketchUp on your computer, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give answers as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope to next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.